News alerts lit up phones, a strange new light appeared. Astronomers were puzzled by it. Then, a stark warning came. It was not a comet, nor an asteroid, they said. It was something far larger, a planet, lost, alone, and it was heading for Earth. The world held its breath. This planet was an outsider. It did not circle our sun. It was a true rogue, a wanderer in the dark. Scientists worked without rest. They tracked its every move, its speed, its massive bulk. A deep fear began to grow. What would its visit bring? Our fate felt uncertain. The calculations were complete. Some relief, but also dread. It would not strike us. No direct impact was foreseen, but it would pass very near, dangerously, perilously close. Its gravity would be immense, a force to reshape worlds. Earth was in its path, a cosmic test awaited. Humanity faced the unknown, a challenge never imagined. Could our species endure this? What would happen to Earth? Our beautiful, fragile home. The uninvited guest drew closer, its silent, cosmic journey, soon to meet our own. The final countdown started. Time was running out. What is this cosmic intruder? Scientists call it a rogue planet. These are planets without stars. They do not orbit a sun. Instead, they drift alone. Through the vast emptiness of space, they are celestial orphans, untethered and free-floating. A truly fascinating concept, but also a little unsettling. Most planets we know are different. Earth orbits our sun, of course, so do Mars, Jupiter, and others. They are part of a solar family. Rogue planets are solitary. They were likely born in systems like our own solar system, but then, something happened, perhaps a gravitational fight, and they were thrown out. Finding these wanderers is hard. They don't shine like stars do. They have no parent star nearby, so they are incredibly faint. We often spot them indirectly. Maybe their gravity bends starlight, or they glow faintly with heat, left over from their formation. They are dark, cold mysteries, hidden in the cosmic shadows. These rogue planets tell a story about how stars form and how planetary systems evolve. Sometimes, systems are unstable, planets can be ejected. It shows the universe is dynamic. It is constantly changing. Our solar system is quite stable, but not all places are. These rogues are proof of that. What if this rogue passes close, even without a direct hit? The effects could be devastating. Its gravity is the main threat, a huge, invisible force. It would pull hard on Earth. The first signs would be tides. Not just ordinary ocean tides, but colossal, world-swamping waves. Coastal cities would vanish. The rogue's gravity would dig deeper. It would tug at Earth's crust. This could trigger huge earthquakes, shaking the entire planet. Volcanoes might erupt worldwide. Even those long thought extinct. The ground would become treacherous. Nowhere would feel truly safe. Earth has a magnetic field. It's like an invisible shield. The rogue's passage could disrupt it, or even make it collapse. Without this shield, we are exposed. Our atmosphere could be stripped. Power grids would likely fail. Communications would go silent. The rogue could alter Earth's orbit, our path around the sun. It could make Earth hotter, or push us into a deep freeze. Seasons would become extreme, making our planet uninhabitable, a slow, chilling end. Could humans survive such chaos? It would be our greatest test. Our modern world is fragile. It relies on complex systems that would surely fail. We would need new strategies, extraordinary plans for survival. Ingenuity would be paramount, with our very existence at stake. A true fight for the future. Some might think of bunkers, deep underground shelters to shield from quakes and radiation. These would need to be strong and completely self-sufficient, providing air, water, and food for many years, perhaps decades. But how many could we build? And who would get to use them? Difficult questions to answer. What about leaving Earth, becoming a multi-planet species? It's a grand, inspiring idea, colonies on Mars or the Moon. But this is not a quick fix. It takes enormous time and effort. We are not ready for that, not on a mass scale anyway. Space travel could save a few, but not all of humanity. Could we defend our planet, try to push the rogue away, or move Earth out of danger? These are ideas from science fiction for now, at least. The energy needed is immense, far beyond our current tech. We are still learning about space. We are observers mostly, not yet masters of our destiny. How likely is such an event, a rogue planet threatening Earth? Scientists think rogue planets are common. Our galaxy might have billions, perhaps even more than stars. But space is incredibly vast, and the distances are enormous. So, the chance of a close pass is very, very small indeed, but not zero, never zero. Astronomers are always watching, scanning the night sky. New telescopes are being built, like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory. They will see fainter objects and further out into space. This improves our chances of getting an early warning. Time would be precious. Time to think, to plan. We have faced cosmic threats before. Asteroids and comets, for example. The dinosaurs were wiped out by a large asteroid impact. We are aware of this danger and we are developing defenses like the DART mission. It showed we can nudge asteroids. But a planet is much bigger, a different scale of problem. This thought experiment is vital. It's not just about rogue planets, it's about our place here in this vast, amazing universe. We are on a small blue world in a potentially dangerous cosmos. Are we truly ready for surprises? For the unknown dangers lurking? The universe offers endless wonders, but we must also be vigilant.